Hello, my name is Avergina. Today in this space and this time, I want to presentation about my essay. The title of my essay is Climatology Tools. What is climatology? Climatology or climate science is a branch of science that deals with the synthesis or statistics of weather elements day by day over a period of several years in a certain place or region. Climate is an event condition and is a collection of weather conditions which are then complete and calculated in the form of average weather condition over a relatively long period of time. The climate component consists of average rainfall, temperature, humidity, sunshine, wind speed, phenomena such as fog, frost, and hailstorms, and other weather measures. The climate component in agriculture functions to determine the time, type, and place for a plant to be planted. The climate component requires measurement in the form of measuring instruments. Solar radiation. Solar radiation length is the length of the time the sun shines brightly on the Earth's surface, which is calculated from sunrise to sunset. The unit of solar radiation length is percent or hours per day. The intensity of solar radiation is the amount of solar energy that reaches a certain area of a surface at certain time. The units for calculating solar radiation are calories, joules, and watts per meter groups 2. Number 1 of solar radiation tools is Campbell-Stokes type solarimeter. Tool unit value is hour, measurement unit value is percent, tool accuracy 0.5 hours. Function is measure the length of the sun's rays. Work principle is focusing the sun's rays. Procedure: the incoming light will be focused on a solid spherical lens under which there is parchment paper. If the light is focused, it will create a black stain on the parchment paper, and this black spot is used to measure the length of the sun rays. Number 3 of solar radiation tools is dual metal actinograph. Tool unit value is centimeter groups 2. Measurement unit value is calories per centimeter groups 2 per day. Tool accuracy is 1 centimeter groups 2. Function is measure the intensity of solar radiation. Work principle is black and white metal expansion difference. Procedure is the white metal will reflect light while the black metal serves to receive the light that falls to the surface. Then the difference is expansion on the two plates will cause movement in the pen and will paint on graph paper mounted on the graph paper cylinder. And the difference, the expansion that occurs is used for determine the intensity of light falling on the surface. The next is about temperature. Temperature is physical quantity that states the degree of heat a substance. The measuring instrument for temperature is a thermometer, which pioneered its manufacturer Galileo Galilei. The working principle of the thermometer uses the expansion properties of liquids with units of measurement, namely degrees Fahrenheit, degrees Reaumur, and degrees Celsius. Number 1 temperature tools is maximum minimum thermometer. Tool unit value is degrees Celsius. Measurement unit value is degrees Celsius. Tool accuracy is 0.25 degrees Celsius. Function is measure the maximum and minimum temperatures of air. Work principle is expansion of a modified liquid chamber with a narrow gap. Procedure is based on the expansion of modified alcohol and mercury. If the temperature rises, the maximum temperature index will increase or expand. If the temperature drops, the minimum temperature index will increase, move down. Number 2 of temperature tools is soil thermometer. Tool unit value is degrees Celsius. Measurement unit value is degrees Celsius 2. Tool accuracy is 0.1 degrees Celsius. The function is measure the temperature of the soil. Work principle is expansion of liquid in the reservoir. The procedure is the soil is caveated at the desired depth. After the end of the reservoir is inserted, the increase in cell temperature causes the mercury to expand and will fill the column vacuum to a certain extent. The next is about air humidity. Air humidity is the ratio between water vapor in the maximum water vapor content capacity at a certain temperature and air pressure. Number one of air humidity tools is thermohygrograph. The unit value are degrees Celsius thermograph and the percent hygrograph. Measurement unit value are degrees Celsius thermograph and the percent hygrograph. Tool accuracy are 0.5 degrees Celsius thermograph and 1% hygrograph. Function is measure temperature and relative humidity of the air. Work principle are the metallic expansion and higher hygroscopity. Procedure is the working of this tool are divided into two, namely the thermograph with the principle that an increase in air temperature causes the metallic chip to expand and move the lever system so that the pen recording the air temperature moves and scratches on graph paper, and the increase in air humidity causes hair loss, absorbs moisture so the air expands and will move the lever system so that the moisture pen moves and scratches on graph paper. The last is about evaporation. Evaporation is the physical process of changing water into water vapor on land or water that is controlled by atmospheric conditions. Evaporation have two tools that are type A evaporation pot and pitch evaporimeter. Type A evaporation pot, tool unit value is millimeter, measurement unit value is millimeter, tool accuracy is 0.02 millimeter, function is measuring evaporation, work principle is measurement of the difference in water level, procedure is water is accommodated in a 120 cm diameter pot and 25 cm height. The water level inside was measured at the beginning of the observation period and the end of the time period. Pitch evaporimeter, tool unit value is milliliter, measurement unit value is millimeter, tool accuracy is 0.05 milliliter, function is measuring evaporation, work principle is measurement of the difference in water level, procedure are this tool consists of an evaporation element in the form of disc made of filter paper and a measuring tube containing water. Filter paper and water connected by a capillary tube which keep the filter paper always wet and saturated, then from successive readings. The volume of water that is left in the measuring tube can be seen. The amount of water lost due to the evaporation is moment. Okay, that's all my presentation. Sorry if there are words that are not clear or not understand. Thank you and goodbye.